All right, guys, good morning. We are going to be working on 15-5 in math. We are doing our centimeters and meters visual learning.
You can use a ruler and a meter stick to measure length. Which is longer, the ruler or the meter stick?
Which is longer, the ruler or the meter stick?
The meter.
The meter
The
stick.
meter stick is longer. Which is shorter? The ruler is shorter. Look at this button. Using the ruler, about how long is this button?
About how
This
long?
button
How long is the button?
About 1 centimeter.
About one.
About 1 centimeter.
is about 1 centimeter long. Can you think of other objects that are as small as a button?
What are some other objects that might be as small as a button? Maybe like your nail?
A bead.
A bead? That's a good one. A marble? Maybe a penny?
Or maybe a nickel. Or
Yeah.
maybe an ant.
An ant? So you guys are really good at this.
A staple is about as small as a button.
A staple.
Look at this girl's long step. About how long is this girl's long step? This girl's long step is about 1 meter. How many centimeters are in 1 meter? There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter.
How many centimeters are in 1 meter?
100. 100.
Can you name other objects that are about 1 meter? The width of a doorway and the length of a baseball bat are both about 1 meter.
A
Now
laptop.
let's estimate the length of a cube.
A laptop would not be 1 meter. It needs to be a little bit bigger. So like think of a baseball bat. That would be about 1 meter, or like a golf club, or the width of your door.
Estimate the length of this cube. This cube is about 3 centimeters. Now measure the length of this cube.
How many centimeters is this cube?
3. 3.
Let's look. Okay, you guys are saying 3, but let's look at this line. It ends right here. Where does it end?
2 centimeters. 2 centimeters.
3 was the estimate. 2 is how many centimeters the cube actually is.
This cube is about 2 centimeters long. Now you know how to measure objects using centimeters and meters.
Right, we're going to do a little bit of reteaching and a little bit of practice, and then we're going to do a digital quick check. Dimitri, I was trying to get your attention during ELA, but you are not responding to me. Dimitri, everyone was taking their comprehension test during ELA, but you weren't responding to me. How come? You didn't take your test.
I was glitching, that's why.
You were what?
I was glitching.
Okay, well, you need to take your test, okay?
Mrs. Park,
Yes.
my mom said that I have to go to school in 5 days, I guess.
Okay, cool. All right. The bead is about 1 centimeter long. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. You would need 100 of these beads to make 1 meter. How long is each object? So here is a baseball bat. Is that going to be 1 centimeter or 1 meter?
1 meter. 1 meter.
1 meter. Very good. Okay, this is a, it looks like, oh, it's the width. So just this area. So not the length, but the width of this like popsicle stick. Would you say the width is, so a popsicle stick, think of like a popsicle stick. Would you say that's the width of it is 1 centimeter or 1 meter? Not the length, not this, the width. Would you say that's 1 centimeter or 1 meter?
1 centimeter.
1
1
centimeter.
centimeter.
Good. Number 3, here is a button. Would you say a button is 1 centimeter or
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
4? Here is this is a wall, like the length of this wall right here. Would you say the length of your wall would be 3 centimeters or 3 meters? So 3 baseball
3
bats.
meters.
3 meters.
3 meters.
Very good. All right, so that was your answers for questions 1 through 4. I'm going to give you guys a second to finish that, and then we're going to do our practice. I'll put them in the chat. Number 1 is the baseball bat is about 1 meter. The width of a popsicle stick, which is the width is like the shorter portion of it, is about 1 centimeter. CM stands for centimeter. The button is about 1 centimeter. CM stands for centimeter. And then the wall, the length of the wall length is about 3 meters. And then M stands for meters. CM stands for centimeters. M stands for meters. Does anyone know what MM stands for? If CM stands for centimeters, M stands for meters, what do you guys think MM stands for? I'll give you a hint.
Millimeters.
Millimeters. Very good. Okay, number 1, we're now on practice of 15-5. Circle the object that is about each length. So 1 centimeter, that's about the size of a button, a staple. Would that be her earring or the height of this kid?
Earring.
Her earring, and that's already circled for you. So I'm going to skip that one. Okay, number 2, 1 meter. So the length of a baseball bat, would that be the length of this chair or the length of this toy block?
Chair.
Of the chair.
Okay,
Chair.
1 centimeter is the length about a staple. Would that be the bicycle or this baby ring?
Baby ring. Baby ring.
Okay, which line is about 1 centimeter long? Would you say D, C, B, or A?
D. B.
I know it's kind of hard, so you can either say C or D.
D.
A centimeter is like the length of a staple, so I would say C. I think D is a little too small. Okay, but if you put D, it does, yeah, it's hard to tell because all of our well, mine and yours on your paper is going to be different measurements. Number 5, how long are these cubes joined together? Write the missing numbers, then add. So I'm going to assume that these cubes are 1 centimeter each. So what would be 1 plus 1?
2.
Now, these might not be correct. So you might have a centimeter ruler and you might measure this and you might be like, Ms. Park, it's actually 2 centimeters. So if you have a ruler and you measure it and you know the right answer, then go ahead and put that. But since we're just making an educated guess, I think each is 1 centimeter. All right, so number 2, I'll put the answers in the chat again. So this is the practice page now. Number 2, we said it was the chair, or what is that, a bench? Number 3, we said it was the ring. Number 4, we said it was C, or you could put D. And number 5, I put 1 plus 1 equals 2. All right, we're going to move on to now our digital quick check. Sit up, Kendall. Kendall, I would like you to sit up. Okay, let's go over your digital quick check and then you're going to take it.
Choose the best answer. Which is about a centimeter long?
A centimeter. It's the size of about a button, a staple, an ant. Would you say the mouse? Not the like a mouse, like a trackpad mouse on your computer, a toy block, a skateboard, or a jump rope?
A toy block.
I agree. And that's actually a pretty actually I don't think it's a toy block. I think it's like those
Cube.
little cubes that I don't know if you guys have ever used them, but like in math when we're doing ones, tens, hundreds, I think it's those little cubes for the ones. Okay, number 2.
Choose the best answer. Which is about a meter long?
A meter long is about the size of a baseball bat. So would you say the remote control, a die, I guess, a dice, piece of dice. I don't know how to say that. Pencil or the length of the width of a doorway?
The width of the doorway.
The doorway. Very good. Choose the best answer. Which animal is about a meter long? So a meter is about the length of a baseball bat or the width of a doorway. The doggy, a little worm, a bird, or a chipmunk?
A dog.
A dog.
A dog.
Number
Choose the best answer. Which is about 5 meters in length?
5 meters. So think of 5 baseball bats.
Car.
Baseball
Car.
bats.
Car.
And then last question.
Choose the best answer. Which is about 14 centimeters in length?
So 14 centimeters. Think of 14 ants, 14 staples, 14 buttons.
Fork.
Yeah, a lamppost would be too long, a school bus would be too long, a bathtub would be too long. All right, let's see how you did. Good job, guys. All right, you guys are going to now take your digital quick check. And then I need some of you guys, after you take your digital quick check, some of you still need to stay. Okay, so let me.
Parker already took mine.
No, because there's no way you could have done your digital quick check because I haven't even assigned it yet. There's no way you could have done your digital quick check because I haven't even assigned it yet.
What?
Okay. I'm assigning it now. So now your digital quick check is up. All right. So go ahead and let's do that first. And then I'm going to tell you guys who has missing work. So Abigail, go ahead and click on that waffle. Scroll all the way down till you get to Savis Easy Bridge. It's going to be at the bottom. Savis, it starts with a S-A-V-V. Okay, click on that blue link. There you go.